All right, so this is the weekly video recap that I'm going to be starting, and I'll be posting up every single Friday and or Saturday, depending how my day and my schedule goes. But basically, very simple. I want to talk about this one idea right here. Monday and Tuesday, I was looking at resistances to be short, and that's exactly what I did. I ended up losing because I was probably a little bit too early to the trend. And it's not that the shorts did not work; it's that I got greedy and I didn't take profit on both of them. So when I don't take profit and I break even, it annoys me, bothers me, and then I might do something stupid. And that's exactly why we as traders have to be disciplined enough to say to yourself, we have a max loss. It's not what Top Step or what the company or whatever platform you're trading. It's not their stop loss. I'm talking about your personal stop loss, because Top Step gives you a $1,000, depending on the account, max daily loss, right? But that does not mean that you should be losing $1,000 on the day. Like, I think that losing more than 500 on a $50,000 account is already, pushing the boundaries, but at least you're managing risk at that point. If you're getting stopped up for a full 1,000, you're probably on tilt. You're probably just, doing impulsive trading, which at that point you're not going to have an edge. You're just trading just to make money. And I know exactly how that ends. I've been there. I do that from occasion from time to time, but it is not wise to do that. And the more I trade, the less I want to trade, and the more I find myself that I'm becoming more disciplined in my trading. But very simple here. I was shorting resistances, and look at this. This is the type of move that I'm looking for when I'm short a resistance. You have clear defined stops. You have a clear defined resistance right at my 62 level. We popped back. We popped to the top. We come back into the range, and this becomes now the trap to the upside. So what have we done here? We've pretty much trapped longs. We stopped out the shorts because they're stops, they're right here, right? And then essentially you're piling on longs that have FOMO from here, and then it gets back into the range, and then it needs more fuel to continue. It's direction. So look at it right here. The stops are going to be right here. The stops are going to be right here. The stops are going to be every single level going downward. And that's exactly what happens. But where's the beginning of this whole trend? There's many ways to spot it, but the way I trade and the way I'm able to spot the moves is exactly right here. This is the money right there. That, if you can learn that setup, for me, that's what's got me profitable altogether. Boom, it's the beginning of every move. Instead of trying to identify late moves like bear flags or other things like with VWAP and a bunch of other nonsense, it's best to just watch price action. Understand that this is resistance here. It's super, I guess, simpler when you're only observing price. That's what I trade. I'm a price action type of guy. I don't trade. I don't have no indicators. I don't use nothing. I just observe price, because at the end of the day, what are indicators? Indicators are lagging they're lagging to price, right? Price is the only thing that actually matters in the market. Like, look at this trade we did on Wednesday. You see this? We had the pump, we had some chop, we had the dump, and then right here I took some longs right here, and then look at that. Took profit up here, which I knew was resistance. But again, where is the beginning of this move? Right here. This is arguably the best entry right here. Yes, they are tricky to catch. They are hard. But once you understand that we had stops here, we had the pump, we had the pullback, right? Some chop consolidation. We take out the stops from the longs. I hope that this is making sense. We take the stops from the longs. We pile on more shorts. We get back into the range, and then look at that. Boom. We have the continuation and the real trend, which obviously in hindsight, I took profit way too early. Tuesday, I'm trying to be quick with these because I know that these videos can get long. This is now Tuesday. Look what happens overnight. We start dumping, breaking through supports, and then what ends up happening right at the bottom right here? I take longs here. Very, very simple. Why? I'm not guessing. I'm taking educated trades because I understand that this level was support. I'm not going to get into how this was support, but you got to follow along. ES is an endless story that keeps on printing every single day. So it's important for me, because I'm a price action type of guy, to know what price we close at, to know how the price looked, right? Based on that, I can mold an idea to see what I'm gonna be trading and how I'm gonna be executing my trades on Monday, right? But this is the simple idea. Look at this. This wasn't a buy, and nor was it a short for me. But anyways, let's get back down here. This down here is the trap right here. We have support here. We have the trap all the way at the bottom here. Once this this trap basically pushes right back into the range, we've now left this at the bottom here. As long as that holds, we should continue higher. And I'm observing price. I can see the way we popped right back. So I take some longs up here. You can see that all the entries are all right there. Boom, we take some longs off here, and then we covered up here. I was long 5. That's how confident I was in this setup. Again, I can only make 1,500 per combine on the day. So yes, I would have probably had a runner, but I had already maxed out profits on the day. So what was the point, right? Tops is just gonna basically raise my profit target, which is, there's no point. But again, why would I be getting long here? Why would I be getting long here? Why would I be getting long here? I don't have no edge up there. Up here, I want to look for a short instead. But down here, I am long city all day long. This is exactly how we traded. And then this is the way that I can get myself into the beginning of a lot of the moves. And that's the part that hurts sometimes, because I take profit, and unfortunately, the moves do pay out quite a bit more. However, there's kind of a catch to that as well, because if I take these longs of support after the trap, if they do fail after a pop, so a lot of my trades will be green. It's not that I'll be red. Like, I would say majority of my trades, I'm in the green right away. The problem isn't that. The problem is more greed, because sometimes the traps might not work. So my stop is down here, and I'll see this kind of form and like have multiple bounces, and I'm like, no, this thing is gonna bounce, right? You tend to develop this this mentality that you're always right, and then you end up holding when you should probably be covering. But anyways, that's a conversation for another day. The point was a simple one here. Me as a trader, it's my job to do one trade, identify where support is at, take profit, and then walk away. That's exactly what I did on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we managed to get ourselves back into the green in the week, because Monday and Tuesday we did take losses. And again, it was because of the exact same reason. I was short, I wasn't taking profit, and I was expecting for the move to pay me more than it was going to, basically. So, but again, it doesn't matter. We ended up green, 3 green days, 2 red days, and the combines are healthy. I don't want to say what they're at because I just want to pass them. I don't want to jinx nothing. They're the same accounts right there. Come on. Like, I stream this thing live every single morning. I show the accounts as the same ones when they are passed. I hope I can pass them this week. Not I hope, I will get them done this week. We can move it along to the XFAs live, and then basically show that payout live, which is exactly what I want to do. I want to accomplish that for myself, and I want to have it on the stream, and all these videos essentially become like a journal for me, right? So anyways, that, I know that this video might probably be long, but I just really wanted to recap the whole week, and maybe you can, see my perspective, and if I can add something to your trading, that would be amazing. So peace. I'll see you on Monday. Mega Money Monday is coming. It's gonna come in hot and probably choppy, so we're gonna have to be careful not to get chopped up.